What's happening, guys? We are here to explain to you how to properly care for your new piercing. We know that there's a lot of information out there and it can be overwhelming, so we hope that this will alleviate any of the confusion and just get straight to the point. This covers the basics and will keep your new and existing piercings clean and safe. Please keep in mind that there may be additional information and steps your piercer suggests due to the type of piercing. And always remember, we're not doctors. So if there's something abnormal going on, don't hesitate to reach out to your piercer or your doctor for additional information. So let's get started. Wash your hands thoroughly prior to cleaning or touching your piercing for any reason. 2. Saline rinse is needed during healing. For certain placements, it may be easier to apply using clean gauze saturated with a saline solution. A brief rinse afterward will remove any remaining residue. If your piercer suggests using soap, gently lather around the piercing and rinse is needed. Avoid using harsh soaps or soaps with any dyes, fragrances, or trisclosan. Rinse thoroughly and remove all traces of the soap from the piercing. It's not necessary to rotate that jewelry through the piercing. Step 4, dry by gently patting with clean, disposable products because cloth towels can harbor bacteria and snag on jewelry, causing injury. And that basically covers the basics for specialty piercings or individual circumstances. There might be additional information that your piercer may instruct you to do. We hope that this information is useful to you and answers all your questions. And as always, don't be afraid to call your piercer or your doctor for any needed additional information. All right, guys, I'm Eden from Fifth Finger Studio. Check out our page for any information, and hopefully I see you for your next piercing soon. And thanks for watching the Disney Channel.
Oh my God.
That's going on the page.